Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video, we will discuss how to set up Newnik WiFi Extender using the WPS push button. This is the easiest method to set up the Newnik WiFi Extender within 2 minutes without any username or password. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. First of all, plug the Newnik WiFi Extender into a power outlet close to your main router. Wait for the power LED to become solid green or stable, indicator it's ready. On your main Wi-Fi router, look for a WPS button, usually marked as WPS, or a small icon with 2 arrows in a circle. Press and hold the WPS button on your router for about 2 to 3 seconds. The WPS LED on your router should start blinking. This means it's searching for a device to pair. Within 2 minutes of pressing the router's WPS button, press and hold the WPS button on the Newnik extender for 3 to 5 seconds. The signal/Wi-Fi LED on the extender should start blinking. After a few seconds, up to 1 to 2 minutes, the extender should automatically connect to the router. The signal link extender LED will turn solid green or blue, indicating a strong signal. The extender is now successfully linked to your Wi-Fi. On your phone, tablet, or computer, go to Wi-Fi settings. You'll now see a new extended network name like Home Wi-Fi_EXT or similar. Use your original Wi-Fi password to connect. Unplug the extender and move it to an area between your router and the weak Wi-Fi zone. Plug it in and wait for the LED to stabilize. Green or blue equals good signal. If the LED turns red or no light shows, move it closer to the router. Now setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.